Apple's AirPods Pro have a major flaw. My pair was impacted, yours may be too. Let's find out what's going on and what you can do about it. A few weeks back, I started to experience some minor issues with my AirPods. What was happening is some audio crackling in one of the ears. I at first didn't know what was causing it, couldn't really pinpoint when it was happening. It really was just occurring seemingly at random. Until I started to run with my AirPods. And as soon as I ran, I noticed that there was very, very strong static sounds that were coming immediately as soon as I started movement. That led to some more investigation. I then realized that touching the side of it and, squeezing it, different motions, anything that would get the AirPod to be moving in my ear would cause this to happen. I played around in different modes. I looked at noise canceling mode, transparency mode, turning those functions off entirely to see where the problem existed. And what I noticed was that I had a problem with noise cancellation and transparency, but if I turned them off, the problems went away. So that led me to start looking on the internet and try and figure out what could be going on. And you're in luck if you've run into a problem just like this, because there is an Apple recall out there and they'll replace them for free. So let's talk about my experience and what happened for me. Apple is currently running the AirPods Pro service program for sound issues. And that interesting sounding name really just means that they have a recall out for the exact problem that I encountered. And it might be bigger than we really think. In talking with the tech that I worked with, he said that his AirPods have had it, and he admitted that this was a common issue that he's been seeing a lot. So I don't know exactly when these problems started to arise or how long this program has been around for, but as of right now, as long as it's within 2 years of your AirPods Pro purchase, which they've only been out for a little over a year, then they can be eligible for replacement if they truly have the problem. So all that it took for me was clicking the link within the webpage from Apple, scheduling an appointment at my local Apple store, and going in with my AirPods. From there, they checked the serial number, ran them through a diagnostic test that took about 15 minutes, and based on that, it concluded whether or not they had a problem or not. In my case, even though I only noticed it in one ear, it actually impacted both AirPods, and I wound up getting both replaced completely free. Now, with AirPods, that's a pretty sweet deal. Obviously, any recall is unfortunate and not great for Apple, but for me, I got 2 brand new AirPods, which means fresh batteries over a year after I purchased these. So if you think you might be having a similar sound issue, if you've noticed crackling, if you've had any sort of issue in noise cancellation or in transparency mode, it's definitely worth taking them into Apple, letting them take a look, and seeing if they're impacted. For me, it worked out great. For you, it might do the same. Let me know how it goes. Comment down below if you wound up with a similar issue, and let me know whether Apple was able to replace them for you or not. I'm curious how many people out there truly have had this problem. So let me know. Please consider subscribing. Like the video, it really means a lot. And until next time, thank you very much.